Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Diablo 4 lot of hit rate game crashing or not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, black screen or several other issues on PS5. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart a PlayStation. It's one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such kind of problem. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller, then select power button and then select restart PS5. Once you have done this, launch the game and check. Next method is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5 first. Now hold down power button and let 2 beep sound occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller by USB cable and then select rebuild database. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to check PS5 overheating. So make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on PS5. Next solution is to enable or disable HDCP. For that, go to settings menu from PS5 home screen. Now choose system. Then select HDMI from the sidebar. Here toggle enable HDCP to on or off, and after that launch the game and check. Next solution is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings, click on network, click on settings, click on setup network connection. Here click on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. Next solution is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings. Now go to system. Here choose language option in the left sidebar, then select current language. After that, change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next solution is to restore licenses. For that, open settings, click on users and accounts, move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select Diablo 4 lot of hit rate game and then click on restore. Finally, confirm by selecting yes. Next is to sign out and sign in to PS5. For that, go to settings on your PS5. Now tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into PS5 account and then check for the error. Next is to change DNS settings on PS5. For that, open settings, then click on network, then click on settings, then click on setup internet connection. Here select your network and press the options button and then select advanced settings and change DNS settings to manual. After that, Google DNS primary and secondary is mentioned. Once done, choose OK to save. It is recommended to go to network, then connection status, test internet connection to ensure it is working properly. Is to check for game updates. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues. So make sure you check if there is an update available, and after updating the game, launch it and check. Next is to delete game save file PS5. For that, open settings on PS5 menu. Now choose save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage and then select Diablo 4 lot of hit rate game and then check. Next solution is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings in your PS5, then select system. Now go to system software, click on system software update and settings. Next, choose update system software if any update is available. Finally, choose update using internet option. Next is to reset your console settings. For that, launch settings on your PS5 and move to system. Now choose reset options under system software. Here select reset default settings. At last, select restore option. Next is to reinstall Diablo 4 lot of hit rate game. For that, first highlight the game on our PS5 and press options on your controller. Now choose delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install Diablo 4 lot of hit rate game again to check for the error. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So if nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. You simply have to explain the issue you are coming across while playing the game, and hopefully the support team will try to resolve it and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.